While driving on a piece of road or highway, you may have noticed a traffic sign that shows grade on the road. You may have wondered what this grade means. I'm going to explain it to you and use that to calculate elevation at point B and point C. Now, when it says G is 5%, it means that every 100 feet horizontal distance means 5 feet change in elevation vertically. So 100 feet horizontal, 5 feet vertical. The same logic works when it's downhill. When G is 3.5%, that means that every 100 feet we have lost, or we are going to lose 3.5 feet. We can write it negative because it's downhill. So horizontal 100 feet, vertical G. If it's 5% means 5 feet. If it's 3.5% means 3.5 feet. Now let's use this logic to find elevation at point B. Elevation at point A is given, and distance from A to B is 3,000 feet. Now let's first calculate H1. H1 is going to be 5%, means 5 over 100 times the total distance that we are moving on this grid is 3,000 feet. Therefore, it's going to be 150 feet gain in elevation or change in elevation. And from there, we can say that elevation at point B is elevation at point A, which is 2,154 feet plus 150 feet. And if you do the math, it's equal to 2,304 feet. This is elevation at point B. Now we can use elevation at point B to find elevation at point C. Again, this time we are going to lose elevation. So let's see how much is the losing in elevation. Distance from B to C is 5,000 feet. 5,000 feet. That means that H2 is going to be, and grade is 3.5%, so 3.5 over 100 times 5,000. If you do this, it's 175 feet. Again, because you may make a mistake, write it in negative. From the beginning, put a negative sign because you're losing elevation. So put a negative sign in front of it. Then elevation at point C is going to be elevation at point B minus that, because we are moving from B to C. So 2,304 minus 175, and both of them are in feet. And if you solve it, it's going to give us 2,129 feet, which is elevation at point B. So